everybody, it's just Louisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be filming a what I got for my 15th birthday. Because my birthday was on the 28th of January, so I think it's 5 days ago since my birthday when I'm filming this, so 6 days when you're watching this. Even though I still look about 13, it was my 15th birthday. Thank you for all of the lovely messages that you guys sent me on Instagram or just on any social media platform. I had so many lovely messages from you guys wishing me a happy birthday, and it really means a lot to me. But yeah, I've literally been doing this video like every year since I started my channel. I think this is my third one maybe. I get so much hate on every single one of them. Obviously, like, some people don't get presents for their birthday, but I'm literally just doing this video because I've had so many requests already asking me to do it, because people are just really nosy and people just love seeing what other people get. If these videos aren't for you, then please click off. Don't feel the need to hate on me because I'm just doing what you guys want me to see, and I'm extremely grateful for all of my presents. I really didn't expect everything, and I just want to say a massive thank you to every single person that got me a present or just got me a card. Also, I just want to say, I know I literally say it in like all of my videos at the moment, but I am ill. I've been off school for 3 days and my nose is like really red. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really red and dry. But yeah, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I'm going to start off with what my parents got me. I'm so in love with what they got me and I'm so grateful for it. My main present was a new phone, and I got the iPhone XS. This is just what the box looks like. I find it so cool, like the iPhone's written in gold and the actual phone just looks like this. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's like a pale kind of goldy pink, and then on the edges it's gold, but it's got a case on it so you can't really see the gold. Just like a goldy colour on the edges, and I love it. It's so good. Basically, I used to have the iPhone 6S, but my contract ran out, so I had to get a new phone. I just think this is like the best phone for me because it's got amazing quality for like vlogging and for taking Instagram photos, and it's also super fast. And because like I don't want to call it my job, but like what my hobby is, which is YouTube, I kind of want a good phone, and I actually did pay some money towards this. I wouldn't normally get the latest phone, but because of like the money I've made from YouTube, I've been able to put some money towards it. Thank you so much, Mum and Dad, for this. Just so pretty. But I forgot to mention, they also got me this clear case. It's super protective, so thank you so much for that. So that was obviously my main present, so I didn't expect a lot else, but they also did get me a few other things. I did not expect them to get me these things. The next thing they got me was an Amazon Echo Dot. This is just what the box looks like, and the actual Echo Dot looks like this. I got it in like the really nice like light grey colour. I've literally used it so much and it's so good. The only thing I'm kind of annoyed about is that you have to pay for Amazon Music. If anyone knows a way that I can get free music on here, then let me know. It's really fun to like talk to, and it's just really cool. So yeah, I'm really happy with that, so thank you. By the way, I'm gonna say thank you after every present, and I know it's so annoying, but I'm literally so grateful for everything. I don't want to come across as ungrateful. I forgot to mention they got me an Amazon smart plug to go with my Amazon Echo. I'm not really sure what this does. I think like you can plug in like a light or something, and you can like tell Alexa to turn it on and stuff. I'm not really sure like how you do it or anything. I'm really excited to try it out and see what it does. And the next thing they got me, I'm so happy about. So they got me a tripod. I've had this tripod that my camera's on for like 2 years, 3 years maybe, and it actually broke. They got me a new one. I literally could not film videos without a tripod because I need somewhere to like stand the camera up. By the way, right now I'm using my broken one and it's really awkward. Like I have to balance it. Basically one of the legs has snapped off, so I've got to like balance it, but it's gonna fall over at some point. And one of the last things they got me is so nice. Like I was not expecting this at all, and I love it. So they got me a white Champion jumper. I absolutely love Champion at the moment. I've got a hoodie and a t-shirt, and I've always wanted like a white jumper. I don't know why, I just really love the colour white. I've got a white top on now, but it's just really nice and really basic, and it's got like Champion on the sleeve as well, and it's like a fleecy material inside, so it's really comfy and really soft. So thank you so much for this. I'm so excited to wear it. And the last thing which they got me was some chocolate. So I got these Dairy Milk mixed buttons, which I'm very excited to eat, and they also got me some Oreo, like the new Oreo little like bite things, but I've already eaten them and they were so good. It also took me to London on the Saturday before my birthday, which was part of my present, and they bought me a few things in there. So if you want to see the vlog and haul of that video, I'll link it down below. And that's everything they got me, so thank you so much, Mum and Dad. And I'm now going to move on to what my friends and other family members got me. So my grandma and granddad got me some money, so thank you so much for that. And my other grandma and grandpa also got me some money, so thank you so much for that. And my auntie and uncle on my dad's side got me £20, so thank you for that. And my other auntie and uncle on my mum's side got me a £20 Topshop voucher. And my other auntie and uncle on my mum's side haven't given me my present yet because they live in Germany and I haven't seen them. I'm now going to move on to my friend's presents. So starting off with my friend Izzy, she got me 2 Ted Baker body sprays, which are really nice. She got me the pink one and the white one. I cannot wait to use them as I love Ted Baker. And then she also got me some Galaxy chocolate. Galaxy is my favourite chocolate. It's so good. Thank you for this, Izzy. I love you lots, and I know you're watching the video now, so cheeky shout out to you. And then moving on to my friend Jess, she got me again something from Ted Baker. I love Ted Baker. The packaging is so nice. So she got me this Ted Baker set. It comes in a really nice makeup bag. Inside here you get a lip balm, a body spray and a body lotion. I love little like toiletry sets like this, and I cannot wait to use it. So thank you so much for this, Jess. I love you. And my friend Alexis got me some celebrations. I love celebrations. Can't wait to eat these. I've already eaten some of them, so thanks for that. And then lastly, my friend Grace got me a present, so thank you so much, Grace. First thing she got me was from Beauty Bay. She got me the Beauty Bay Fiery eyeshadow palette. Look how pretty this box is. It's so nice. And then the palette is amazing. Look how gorgeous these colours are. I especially love like the shimmer shades. They're so nice. I cannot wait to experiment with this. And I haven't had a new eyeshadow palette for ages. And then she also got me some matchmakers. These are the Ziggy orange ones. So I haven't had matchmakers for ages and I love them. So thank you so much, Grace. And that is everything that I got for my birthday. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up if you did. And subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I'll see you guys all next week for a new video. Bye!